Having fitness apps and devices can help you get started and motivated throughout your fitness journey. But what if that motivation wears off over time? And in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 tips on how to start working out for beginners while keeping you motivated throughout your fitness journey. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Coach Roy here with Team iPossible, giving you tips and tactics for getting and staying fit for you busy people out there. Now before we get started, make sure to share this video with your loved ones. Smash that like button for me and subscribe to this channel to get free weekly updates to keep you on form and getting and staying fit every single time. So make sure to grab a notebook and a pen to take notes because we're gonna get started here in about 3, 2, you know what, forget it, let's go. So the first step I'm gonna go over today on how to start working out for beginners is answering these questions. Why not, and who? Okay, we're gonna go over why first. Now, why do you wanna work out? You specifically. Now the common answers are normally here is, I wanna lose 10 pounds, or I wanna get rid of this thing around my waist. Now those are good starts, good goals, but it's just not enough. Let's dive in deeper. Now the next question I want you to answer is why now? Why do you want to work out now? Now the common answers I normally get here are, when I look into the mirror, I don't like what I see, or I believe it's time. And the great thing about these answers is that it gives you visualization into your fitness goals ahead, which brings you to who. Who do you want to do this for? Parents? Kids? Loved ones, people that care about you. Let's take it a step further. Why them? Why do you want to do it for them? Maybe you just want to be there with them for a long time, or you want to be with them long enough so that they can torture you forever. That's right, join the club. Once you answer these questions, we're going to move into the second tip on how to start working out for beginners, which is having a plan. Now having a plan keeps you pointed in the right direction. Still have your pen? Now this scheduled starter plan is going to have you work out 3 times a week, giving you a day in between to rest for your body to recover, as well as come back stronger for your next workout. Okay, for the sake of time, we're going to stick with 3 plans today. Now you can do this anywhere you want to, but we're just going to stick with these 3 plans, okay? Plan A, B, and C. Now, plan A is going to consist of Monday, Wednesday, and Friday workouts that you can do. Again, it's going to follow that format of 3 times a week with a day of rest in between. With plan B, it's going to be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, while plan C is going to have Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday as your go-to workouts, going 3 times a week. Now you're probably wondering, why do I need 3 plans? Now let's go over this for a second. If you have plan A, and let's say you can't work out Monday, well, plan A, you can scrap that. Move on to plan B. Now, plan B has Tuesday. If you can't work out on Tuesday, then you can scrap plan B and move on to your last resort, which is plan C. And if you can't make that day, which is a Wednesday, then you're screwed. Now you need 3 plans because life happens, and a scenario like this can come up. Yes, sir? I'll be there in 2 minutes. See what I mean? So create those 3 plans or sign up for the free I Can Fitness Challenge, and I'll leave that on a link below for you guys to get started. Now that we'll get your questions answered and your plan formulated, which brings us to our 3rd and final tip on how to start working out for beginners, which is to commit. You gotta commit to the routine. And one of the best tools that you can use to help guarantee that you never miss a workout is this. The best things about sticky notes is that you can stick them anywhere. You can stick them on your door, or you can stick them in your mirror, but one of the best places you can stick them is yourself, to give you a constant reminder to get your workout in before you start your glorious day. Okay, question of the day. Which of these 3 tips did you find most helpful and why? Please leave your answers on the comments below because I'd like to know. If you're watching this, it's important to remember that starting is tough, but consistency is harder. With these tools and a community like the Team I Am community to help push you along further, you are getting a head start in your journey to better health. If you're unsure what workout to even start with, go ahead and click on the next video, and I'll see you then. Take care.